Thanks for watching another no-nonsense Airbnb video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to contact Airbnb from your phone app. For this, all you need to do is click on the profile image, which is at the bottom right corner, and then just scroll down to the bottom. You're looking for something called Get Help. Click on that and then ignore all these things. They would have all this literature to help you. You just need to go down to the bottom of the screen and click on Contact Us. Click on Report a New Issue. At this point, they will say, tell us what do you need help with. Well, you can just say, need help with a reservation. And they will try and keep sending you back to their article library, but you will need to navigate through this chat. Just keep clicking on I need help with something else. And at this point, they will ask you, could you tell us a bit more about what's going on? And then just say one more time, I need help with a reservation. At this point, you can just click on Connect Me with a person. And the next option you will get is the select contact method. Now, if you want to have a phone call, if you just want to get the phone number for Airbnb customer services, you can click on Call Us and they will display the phone number for your country on the screen. However, if you want to just have a chat with them, you could choose the other option. Remember, the chat response you will get will be delayed. I have seen about 2 to 3 hours of response time from Airbnb when you're chatting with them. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more such videos. All the best.